Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the transformative guide, Master Your Thinking, by Thibaut Meurisse. This book is a treasure trove of wisdom that offers invaluable insights into the power of our thoughts and their profound impact on achieving success. Lesson 1. The first lesson from the book is the awareness of your thoughts. The book emphasizes that the first step towards mastering your thinking is to become aware of your thoughts. Pay attention to the patterns, beliefs, and self-talk that influence your mindset. Lesson 2. The second lesson is to challenge negative thoughts. Negative thoughts can hold you back from reaching your full potential. Learn to challenge these thoughts by questioning their validity and replacing them with more positive and empowering ones. Lesson 3. The third lesson is to embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Failure is a natural part of life, and it's important to view it as a learning opportunity rather than a setback. Lesson 4. The fourth lesson is to cultivate a growth mindset. Adopting a growth mindset means believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Lesson 5. The fifth lesson is to practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for shifting your mindset towards positivity. Lesson 6. The sixth lesson is to surround yourself with positive influences. The people you surround yourself with can greatly impact your mindset. Lesson 7. The seventh lesson is to take responsibility for your thoughts and actions. Recognize that you have control over your thoughts and actions. Lesson 8. The eighth lesson is to practice self-care. Taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being is crucial for maintaining a positive mindset. Lesson 9. The ninth lesson is to understand how to create highly effective strategies that deliver incredible results. Lesson 10. The 10th lesson is to learn about the 5 common biases that distort your thinking and how to overcome them. In summary, Master Your Thinking is a must-read guide to help you think more accurately so you can finally achieve your goals. It provides a step-by-step method to think more effectively so that you can develop reliable strategies and finally achieve tangible results. By implementing these principles into your life, you can develop a more positive and empowered mindset that will help you overcome challenges and achieve your goals. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Until then, keep reading and keep growing.